This is not the first case he filed. He's been filing cases. So, wala, expected lang yun.
Sir, bakit niyo po nasabing expected?
Kasi he lawyers for the Davao Group. He lawyers for the Davao Group. Kaya, yun na yun. Kahit the Supreme Court siya yung nag-file. He filed cases in the Supreme Court. I think when PRRD was already placed in confinement sa airport, kung kinakausap pa lang, nag-file na siya ng kaso sa Supreme Court at sa ibang courts pa yata pa lang.
Sir, and also sa ombudsman recently, di ba?
Oh, yun, no? So expected na yun. I think that these are, wala, hindi natin maintindihan na. Parang they're so, they can't hide their displeasure with what what we've done or what we have sought to do for the ends of justice. Hindi kami nag-agree.
Nag-file po siya, sir, over the arrest of former President.
Na-expected yun. Kaya nga, he filed in the Supreme Court already before. Forum shopping na to. It's forum shopping.
Sir, sabi po niya, hindi daw po nila final because of the ombudsman application, pero hopeful daw po sila na mabablock po nung disbarment case.
Hindi, I really don't. I cannot comment on something I haven't read. And I think that your critics will always be there. I will just roll with the punches.
Haharapin, sir, ito.
Well, I haven't gotten a copy. Wala pa ako nakukuhang kopya.